Hi, I'm Ahyat, and today we're going to talk about the strategic property investor in the sense of asset financing. So a lot of people ask me, Ahyat, is it really possible to finish your loans faster? Well, there are certain ways that you can implement and certain strategies that you can deploy to help you reduce your principal, reduce the tenor, reduce the interest sum. Okay, so before I go into that I would like to share with you a couple of things before I do that, which is number one, to review your loans. So what you need to do is, the number one strategy to make sure that your loans you can finish your loans faster is review your loans. So sometimes, I'm just going to give you an example where you've got a loan facility, let's say BLR less at that time was 1.5%. At that time, this was perhaps the best. Let's say 5 years ago. 5 years ago was BLR 1.5%. And at that time, 5 years ago, BLR was, let's say, 6%. And now it has gone to 6.6%, right? But this rate remains. That's 1.5. So there's a difference of 0.6% here. So let's say as you go along, and the amount that you pay, let's say 2,000 a month, still remains for both. But when you have a higher rate, it doesn't mean sometimes that this monthly loan commitment doesn't change. And if you don't review this, you're going to end up either paying a longer tenure, or in fact you're going to be in a negative equity position, where you end up owing the bank more and more and more every year, because whatever you pay on the original amount is no longer enough to service the new the loan at a new rate. So that's this important thing. You have to review your loans constantly. A lot of people ask me, Ahyat, what do you do? How often do you want to review your loans? Well, to tell the truth, there's no hard and fast rule about it. There's no actual time frame that you want to do it. But you know, you could review it every quarter or every half year, and you just look if every time the rates move, you want to meet your banker and talk more about it. So before even thinking about finishing your loans faster, we've got to review your loans periodically, so that you have the best rates at every time possible.